Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube channel. So today it's part two of what is this thing? It's part two of the stationery haul. So today I covered up everything this morning and last night. So I'm just gonna show you what I will be I'll show I'm so sorry guys. I will show you what I have been up to when it comes to my textbooks. Right? Guys, and that's mantini, but like yeah, you get the gist of it. So first of all, I got a ruler because the rulers they are pook. Okay. So this is, I think, let me put my sunset lamp on. Wait, sorry. Yeah. So this is To Kill a Mockingbird book for English. I'm not gonna go through everything because it's gonna be long. Afrikaans drama book, right? English poem. Sorry guys. Macbeth. It's an English drama or something, I don't know. Verhalen, this is Afrikaans poems. This is an Afrikaans textbook. Then this is my business studies. I don't know if it's gonna focus. Come on, business studies book. My English home language book. So if you see, these two are pink. So like I covered all the books in one color, so that it's easier for me, when it comes to school. This is an Afrikaans. It's an Afrikaans book. That's baby purple, same as math literacy book. Computer science book, economics book. That's book 2. Life orientation book 1. Then that's my econ textbook, my business study textbook, mathematical literacy textbook, computer science textbook, life orientation textbook. So let me move this here so that it's easier for me to show the rest, right? Yeah. This is like an exam pad, nothing much. So this is Hello. I did like, for a change, I wrote some quotes. So the first quote is growth is a process, not a race. Give yourself grace. Protect your peace. The second one, the third one, your mental health is just as important as your grades. Yeah, guys, we must prioritize our mental health. It's more important, And then this is an economics flip file. I have like 3 quotes there. For a change, I wanted to put quotes on it. So it says, high value, maximize the joy. In a world of scarcity, be an abundance. And then that was flip file 2. This is flip file 1. Yeah. Price is what you pay, value is what you get. Invest in yourself, it pays the best interest. So that is the quotes Afrikaans flip file. Dit lyk altyd onmoontlik totdat dit klaar is. So it looks impossible until it is finished. And then this is guys, I took an old flip file. You know, it doesn't really matter because it's just a flip file. No one will look at how your flip file looks like. This is the only one. So math literacy, mistakes are proof that you're trying. Don't let your struggle become your identity. Last but not least, English home language. Educated, motivated, and highly elevated. Don't... Yeah? Okay, I don't know. It says don't... Yeah, I don't know what that is. Don't hope. I think it's don't hope until you're proud. I don't know, guys. I'm sorry. I think I was writing fast. And then my mom bought me a lunchbox. Thanks to my mom. Yeah, well, this is how it looks like. And it's brown, guys. It's so nice. I don't eat that much at school, so it's cute. And then I just close it like this. And then what's in my pencil bag. So it's a mathematical set. I don't know what this is doing here. Highlighter. There's more highlighters to come. Pen. I have 2 pens. 2 pencils. A scissor. Pritt. And a rubber. I still need highlighters and a sharpener, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. One thing I noticed is that you guys watch my videos but you never subscribe. Guys, please, we're just 59 subscribers away from getting 300. Please, guys, but other than that, thank you guys for watching my video. I was gonna say I pray. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yes, may God bless you and keep you. I pray that He protects you wherever you guys are in this December festive. But other than that, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up and that notification bell, and subscribe, guys. Please tell your parents, your mothers, your fathers, your sisters, your uncles to subscribe, your classmates to subscribe, because by end of January we should be by 300. If you guys don't subscribe, what's the use of me posting content? Because guys, come on. But other than that, stay tuned. Please watch the 2 videos I posted. Stay tuned for next week's holiday. What is this holiday? 1 week vlog. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.